2 minutes for market open. So the thing is, weekly bouncing off a fair value gap. Daily, we changed the state of delivery to the downside. The same for both assets, for both indices. We went down, we took this liquidity, we left this one here and this one here. So we got 1, 2. Now those are closer one to each other. We got a fair value gap here on the daily, which I might want to mark. There's also here the fair value gap. So we went down, we took that liquidity, we started going up, we took all of this to the left of us, we left this one. So do we need to go up and take this one? Not really. Why? Because this one already took the one to the left and then displaced. So this is like a high probability order block. So we went down, we took London on NASDAQ, we didn't on S&P. I need to see some move to the upside. Some move to the upside to take maybe this internal liquidity, enter the fair value gap on the hourly, and then displace. We did close below this change in the state on the hourly on both of the assets. So I would like to see a movement to the upside. To see a manipulation. There it is, market open. We got an SMT right now. We did another SMT to the upside right here. This one took the liquidity to the left, yes. I need to see some more. I need to see this liquidity get taken. And if we enter here on this fair value gap and we want to go short, then great. If we are going long, then I'm waiting for, oh, I'm waiting for the hourly closure because I want to see if we reject this fair value gap or not, which we are probably going to reject just to come up here and then go to the downside. We're leaving liquidity going up. I think that we should go down and take it. Right now, I guess we're gonna take the S&P London low and Asia low and then displace to the upside. Go for all of this internal liquidity and from here, maybe continue dumping. I don't know. Should I look for longs? In the higher time frame, I got liquidity taken. Yes, I know that we still got this one to take, but I don't really care. I just want to, yeah, I want to see a, a retracement. Liquidity taken, not on NASDAQ. NASDAQ still doesn't take it. I mean the Asia low, but that's great. If we can leave that low right here, right above Asia, we will have more liquidity to take later. I kind of wish I'll move up, take this liquidity, and from here changing the state of delivery and target, let's say this internal low first, and then this external. So now we're waiting. That right there might be interesting. This is the short that I'm looking for. This one is fucking perfect. Why? Because we're leaving that low right above Asia low. You see? This one is perfect. We got two lows now. Asia and London taken. Look. I want to see a bigger move up. I mean, this liquidity here is okay, but I want to see something bigger taken. At least this one's. This is the New York high, so I wish I can see price go higher. If it keeps coming down, I guess it's just gonna be to re-enter this change in state, nothing else. From there, I might drop to the 15-second to see another change in state. This low right here, so juicy. So juicy. At the same time, we got an SMT. I want to trade NASDAQ. We took Asia low. Okay, that's good. SMT. I don't think we want to drop. I think we want to take that liquidity up to the upside first. I mean, come on, we got three in a row. I still don't believe that. Let's go to the 50-second chart to see what happens. Right now, we reached the change in the state, right? On the 1 minute. Yes. Yes. No. But almost. That's okay. Actually, hold on. We did reach it. Yeah, we touched it. So I'm watching the 15-second chart. Good rejection. Very good rejection. It's rejecting okay. Look at this beauty. There it is. Give me one more to change it, the state, and I'm entering long. It's going up. Yeah, this looks not a limit. Nigger. You fucking nigger. Three contracts. Where the fuck is my stop loss? Son of a bitch. No, two contracts. Way too small. I wanted to open more. Fuck me. Dude, I hate this limit shit. Scammer shit. Bitch. TP. Man, what a fucking shitty entry. Absolute shit. I'm going for a 1-to-1 now. Almost. A little bit more. TP above I mean, right at the hourly fair value gap. This one here. It's coming down. I'm gonna open one more contract. 351. Give me a little bit more of a dump, and I'm maybe entering once again with one more. This is great. We did a second change in the state. This is great. Yeah. Are we going to manipulate this low first? I don't know. Uh, 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 we might dump straight away. Not gonna open more contracts. I got 300 for a loss and 350 for a win. Using something kind of like a 1-to-1, a little bit more. My entry exactly now is around here. Stop loss below the low and TP there. This is kind of wrong. It doesn't make sense. We might take this low and maybe not this one. Should I move my stuff? Fucking hell. I think it just stopped me out and now it's gonna move to the upside. That would hurt. It maybe do that. It maybe just took me out to move up. Hmm. I wouldn't like that. I really wouldn't. Okay, wait a second. A little bit dumb for me to take this trade. It was a smaller size, however. It might move up now. Yes, it's changing the state. It started pumping. I'm gonna re-enter. Let's go with 3 contracts. You son of a bitch, bro. What the fuck is this? What? Okay. TPs of the what? Why? What the fuck happened? Nigga, what happened? What is this bullshit? Okay, I'm in again. Yeah, and my stop loss was pretty dumb. My TP right now it's at the high at the hourly fair value gap. That stop loss was so fucking dumb. That's why I got stopped out. Right now I can have my stop loss right below this week right here. I don't think we're going down once again. However, my stop loss is here below that sell side. I want to see us go up, take all of this liquidity, keep taking this and everything, and from this fair value gap move to the downside. We already took the liquidity on ES. We're leaving this one here right above this one. We have to move up, take some form of liquidity, and from there dump. I want to see us move up. How much did I fucking lose today? This dumbass account. Move up, son of a bitch. Stop fucking with me. Come on, man. Don't do that. Don't come down. No. I'm not happy with this trade. I took it from nowhere. Well, I took a long on Nasdaq after we took this Asia low on S&P. Okay, it's not that bad actually. We could, yeah, we could dump and take Asia, and from there maybe go to the upside. It wasn't an A plus plus, but it wasn't that bad actually. I think we have potential to go up. So my entry right now is right here. This is my entry. First one, I got stopped out very stupidly. I kind of knew that we were going to take this low and then maybe move to the upside. I wanted to have my stop loss there and not below this week. If we can go up until this 50% zone, that would be great. Come on, man. Move up. So on the 1 minute right now, we got here a fair value gap. If we inverse it, I might enter once again if I see a fair value gap, which I'm not right now. I might enter on my personal. What about the 30-second chart? We are holding this 30-second and 1 minute fair value gap. Price doesn't have the power to move up. It looks like that. We might take this liquidity once again. I think we might get stopped out. This wasn't a very good trade. So we dumped here, we changed the state of delivery. We got liquidity to the upside. We got only one low to the downside, plus the Asia, plus this lows here. Yeah, we're moving up. This is what I should see. I should see us move up. Price is crazy right now. So we changed the state of delivery. Give me a little movement to the downside and I'm entering long on my main account. On the personal one. I would like to see us retrace to that change in state of the 15-second chart. Okay, so I have to be aware here to exit as soon as we take. No, I want to see us move up until the fair value gap. If not, I think that I'm not touching anything. I want us to go up here and exit around there. So if I reach the profit target right now, I will be on a break even kind of state. Yeah, we have to go up. Don't let that one there and move to the downside. Don't fuck with me. Give me at least an SMT. Go up and take some form of liquidity, at least this New York high. Don't do this to me. Come on, boy, you have to pump a little bit more. Yeah, what a stupid loss I got today. Okay, so I'm not even break even. I'm $50 below break even. First TP hit right now. Okay, was actually above this high. Now I want to see this. This is what I want to see now. We are not going to leave that Asia low there and this internal sell side right above the Asia low. There's no way. At least I want to think that we're not going to do that. And this is just a manipulation move. It manipulated to the downside, manipulating to the upside now, and I think we want to reject this. This was a big move on the 1 minute. I want to watch price on the 15-second chart. And see a change in state. We didn't take the internal liquidity, but we are in a good zone to expect the reverse. So I'm going to be ready for entering short on both the accounts. We kind of ran a fair value gap on the 15-second chart. On the 30-second, we definitely ran it. I think it's good time to short. Let me just see at least this candle closure. Okay. Let me give me a fair value gap here. If it wants to give me a fair value gap now on the 1 minute, we will have also uh if we close a little bit below, we would have if we close below this candle here, this body candle, we would have a change in state on the 15-second. If we come up once again and we sweep again, that would be great. Right now, I like this sweep. We swept on both the assets. We don't have a fair value gap. That's not very good for me. Fifteen-second chart, we started to change the state of delivery. If we change it, if we close below, I'm entering. There it is. I opened a lot of lots and I closed them. Shit. Shit. Sell again. Yeah, I need more. Yeah, that's it. I'm going for a 721 loss. Okay, good. Trading now on my main account. What the fuck? What the fuck? Trade. Okay, now. Son of a bitch, you scared me. Okay, now we could have a problem, and that problem is that we might be making a turtle soup to go up and sweep the internal liquidity. And that would be very bad. I wouldn't like to see that. I really wouldn't. However, this is a good entry. It's a sweep, and we still got liquidity to the downside. We ain't got liquidity to the upside. I mean, yeah, we kind of have this London high only, which might be the high of the day. We changed we changed the state of delivery on the hour on the daily. That's why we're shorting. We got this fair value gap. We tapped it. We took London high. No, we didn't. I'm sorry. We may. What the fuck is this? Hour. Okay, so we're in this high probability order block. We reach 50%? No, we didn't. That's a bad thing. That's a thing that I don't like. Yeah, we might come up once again just to take that internal sweep. And after the internal, we might go down. Hmm, that would suck. I want to see us move straight down. I would like to see us dump straight away. I'm in short right now on both the accounts, and I'm about to get stopped out. I am probably gonna get stopped out. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get stopped out. I'm gonna get stopped out. There it is. Got stopped out. Okay, internal sweep now. 50%. The reason why I entered was because um we got this week here touching the hourly fair value gap. And we touched it also on S&P. We also tapped the change in state on both the hourly change in state. About the 4 hour change in state, we didn't do it. Well, a little bit on S&P. We definitely didn't do the change in state on NASDAQ. I still think that we should short because we got liquidity to the downside. We left this one above this one yesterday, so we should go take it. We got this stair here full of liquidities. I still expect us to reject this fair value gap. I mean a 900 loss from the 50K. So I have 280 more to go for. How would I have avoided the loss? Using the minutes chart. Yeah, I should use the seconds chart sometimes on my funded and never use it on my personal account, for example. That might be a good strategy. I'm still hoping for shorts. I still want to see some shorting. We didn't create any fair value gap to the downside. This was just a turtle soup to continue to the upside. It's okay. It's not gonna always work. I'm content. I should care a little bit more. I mean, be a little bit more careful. However, I'm still waiting for shorts. We got a rejection from the hourly. 5 minutes into the second hour. Let's see if we can close bearish on the 15 minute. This might be just the internal sweep. I would like to see displacement to the downside, and then I'd enter here for sure on the changing the state. There it is. We're coming down. Yeah. Yeah, if we close, man, the bad thing is that I can't uh short so much. I mean, I already lost, and the daily loss is right around the corner. So I'm gonna risk only 3 contracts, I guess. Should I? Nah, I'm entering straight away. This is actually the good entry. The only thing I took the entry first was because of the rejection plus this big move. When we got a big move, you don't really expect an internal sweep, but what you do expect, shit, let me, yeah, I should have entered after this. What? Fuck. I should have entered after maybe a break. I don't know. So move up, move down, move up, and after the second move up, when you break that one is the change in state. This was a shitty entry. I didn't have to take this. It was because of the second chart, nothing else. The second chart tricked me. Lower high. I'd like to see this lower high hold and change the state. Might be wrong with my bias and we might go up. Now I'm thinking, should I enter after the break? No, I should wait until this one. 1 to 11, that's a lot. It is a lot, but it might want to happen. We're rejecting the daily fair value gap on both. Yes, we didn't take that buy side, but we did pretty well. We took all of this generated buy side. We swept this one very good. We started moving down on the, yeah, this is good. I would probably short now. I'm gonna short right now. I shorted on one account and now I'm going for my other. And I shorted also. Don't fuck with me and close below, please. Right now, my short is around here. There's my short with a 5%. Before I did a 5%, which I lost, I will now make much more. If this one goes to my profit target, this one would be fucking great. This one could be fucking awesome. Fuck yeah. Oh, oh, that wick. Don't hit my daily, please. So the thing is, I have my stop loss above this wick. No, above this one on my funded. If price wants to come up and take this high, it's gonna fuck me up on the funded. I got a nice entry on my personal account, but not on the funded. I mean, the stop loss is not okay. However, we took all of the liquidity we had to take. We took the internal. We made the yeah, the change in the state on the 1 minute. Everything is correct. We actually are making the change in state now. Perfect. Yeah, this is fucking great. I'm holding my short until ah, yeah, this was a great entry. But what I didn't have to do is is buy an account with a daily loss limit because that's messing with my way of trading. I'm not even break even yet. I just opened three lots. I would have opened more, and I couldn't because what I could close now and then wait for price to retrace to the change in state and then re-enter. That would be good. It's kind of too late now. Yeah, it's too late. Fucking great rejection. I'm gonna leave this one and I'm gonna go work out. We didn't reach the change in state. However, this is great. So low hanging fruit is this, but I'm not even gonna take partials here. I want to see us move down on both. I mean, we're rejecting the daily fair value gap. We're fucking going for short to this sell side. We took the liquidity to the upside. We're definitely going down. We took all of the liquidity to the left of us. Yeah, we leave only one. London? This is not London. Oh no, this is just the buy side. Okay. We don't have more liquidity to the upside. We're in a high probability order block. We're definitely moving down. We're definitely going to this fair value gap on the daily, coupled with this sell side. However, I cannot take that much on my funded. I'm going to check out the rules because I had a loss today and I don't know how much I can win today. But I want to make up for the loss plus make money. I'm not even break even yet. So the most I can win, what is this on a day? Yeah, this might be on a day. Okay, I have to see it with an AI. I have to check this. I'm not taking partials. We're definitely going down. We reached 50%. This is a great fucking entry. I'm just gonna check the on my personal. I have my TP far away because I don't want to fuck up with that. I'm not even gonna get partials, man. I'm going for the lowest low at least on this leg, and maybe then I will move. Well, actually, this one. Hmm. Let me check. Let me think about it. So what is this? Yeah, let me check the 1 hour. So this one took this one. So this might be an order block. We might come down and take the New York low, but not maybe Asia. And this one doesn't make a lot of sense because they are so close one to each other. Thinking the rules right now. It's telling me that there's no rule for making a maximum amount of profit. And that's kind of weird because I remember that there is a rule for that. I have to check on the official website. If there's no rule for that, then I'm definitely passing the account today. 100%. If there is a rule, then I'm not passing today. I'll be making $500 on my personal, and you have to add the loss to the previous loss of $50, so that would be 450 on my personal. That would be fucking great. We'll see. It's a huge TP. It's a very large position. I mean, not a large position, a large TP. Look at that. It's a 1 to 10. And that's not taking partials, which I'm not sure if it's okay, but at the same time, we're making highs all the time. We're taking them. We took all of the highs to the left of us. We left this one, but this one isn't a high probability order block. I would want to see us dump hard. We're rejecting a daily fair value gap. We tapped the -1 standard deviation from the last leg down on the monthly. It looks fucking great for holding the position. Looks fucking great. I'm not even wanting to go for this 50%, this fair value gap here. I just want to go inside the fair value gap once more and just take this liquidity here. And take all of the liquidities we've been living, go into the upside. It is true that this one is pretty far away from this, but I might have to reconsider that. I don't know. I would love to see us breaking this fair value gap on the hourly. We got 30 minutes left for that. Right now we're rejecting from here. That's great. There is this fair value gap, which we held before and which we're gonna break now, I guess. In a normal position, I would be taking profits now, I guess. Or I would wait a little bit more for this low to get taken, but I mean, there's no liquidity to the upside. Everything is to the downside. The only reason why I would want to go to the upside is because we're bouncing off a weekly fair value gap and we might leave this liquidity for later and move on until the -2 to 2.5 zone and then from there maybe reject. I don't know. Today I want to hold. I don't think it's a bad idea. I think that sometimes you must hold your positions. It's normally um a bad idea, but I don't know, man. Something's telling me that today is gonna be a good day. I might get fucked up. I always get fucked up doing that, but This is what it is. We manipulated to the downside, manipulated to the upside, started going down. This one should work. We're having an SMT now, big rejection, which I don't like. We want to create a change in the state of delivery. I don't want to see that change in the state of delivery. Be made. Man, I want to see us continue dumping. We're rejecting hard the hourly zone now, the hourly fair value gap. I don't like that, but at the same, man, I think we're gonna still dump. There's still liquidity to the downside on both. Look at this. This sell side is right here on both the assets. We should go for it. And after we take this one, we might what go up for this one once again? I don't think so. I think that it's time to dump. London, I think that did the high of the day, tapping this daily fair value gap, which Asia also tapped it, and yesterday we tapped it on the Nasdaq. Yeah, we did. Yeah, perfect. We're taking liquidity from yesterday from the upside, and now we're just dumping. It's time to dump. We got one move lower. We need one more. What about the 12 hours? I think it's a good time to dump. I guess we'll see. The thing is, should I move my stop to break even on the funded account at least? Should I or shouldn't I? So 722 I have lost. If I do 1,000 minus 722, that equals 278, and I'm willing to risk 250 more. That's good. I'm gonna let it loose. If I lose, it's okay. I don't care. I'm gonna go to check the rules now on Top Step. Or a fucking shit. That's why I want to trade my personal account. The thing is that I don't have enough money. So I cannot make more than 150. Okay, so the daily limit it's by day, not by trade. That's okay. So how much did I fucking lose today? I lost minus 722.62 plus. Uh, 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 no, no. So 1,500 plus 722.62 equals 2,222. That's the most I can win. 200, no, 2,222. Okay. It's not that far away. So my profit on my funded would be, damn, still far away. Ah, dang. It's around here. So I'm searching of 1 to 5. My funded, right? Yeah. Okay, try here. I need this, a 1 to 4.81. This is what I need for my TP on my funded for today. The most I can make is this, which would be 1,500. Actually, it would be more. It will be 2,222. The reason I'm going for more is because I had a loss before. Bro, don't do this to me. Move down. Don't respect that SMT. Don't fuck with me. Please. Why? Why you want to do this to me? Just don't do it. It would be bad on my personal account. I would lose a 10% today if it goes to my stop loss. But I really don't expect price to go to my stop loss. I don't really expect it, man. I mean, we just placed here. On the 15 minute, we didn't displace. We made a huge wick, but I don't know, man. We still got 19 minutes for candle closure. I want to see us close below that fair value gap. We're moving in between these two fair value gaps right now. We were kind of breaking it to the downside here. We went up and we rejected this one. We didn't break above as we did here, breaking below. This week might not hold. I hope no, we're not even living a fair value gap on the 15 minute. There is another displacement on the 5 minute. That's good. Okay. Let me check the 1 minute. There's a change in state. SMT. Okay. This is it. I'm living this. I want to see us dump. So here's the TP for my funded, and my TP for my personal would be there. Maybe. I will probably take some partials before getting into that zone. I would probably take partials around the Asia low. Or maybe here. Let me check this leg to the upside and see where 50% is. Well, OTE, that's a great zone here. It's a great zone. But as I'm telling you, I don't expect us to go up. This should work. You never know for sure, but I do expect us to go down. The thing that I don't like is that we're not leaving any fair value gaps. We did have this one on the 10 minute and on the 5 minute, and from there we're moving down, or we're trying to. We not displace, but change the state of delivery on the 1 minute. We didn't change the state on NASDAQ. No, that's not good. We might still come up. You know what? I'm gonna hold, man. The bad thing is that on my funded right now, the stop loss, it's in a really bad position because it's right above this price point here. It's right where I have my mouse right now. It's right there, the stop loss. I would hate to see price come up and take this high and then dump. This is gonna be a long day, so I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna go train and I'll be back later at night, probably. We'll see. I'm gonna set an alarm just to get angry if I get stopped out. One here. And I might take some profits here because the next liquidity would be too far away. What about the 5 minute? Well, we kind of have this and this. Yeah, we got liquidity to the upside. Let's see in the 15 minute. We kind of have this one. There's more. No, there's more distance between this low and this low than this low and this low. I think that we should go tap this data fair value gap. Anything could happen always. On the 4 hours, big rejection. I think we're going down, man. I think we're going down. Here's a 4 hour fair value gap on the Asia. I might want to take some profits here, maybe have the position and hold the next half until here or until here. One thing that I don't like is that this took this. So from here we might go up. I don't know. We're still not changing the state of delivery. We're making higher highs. Another SMT here. But we also got this one. Uh, I shouldn't be looking for home runs. Let it be, man, whatever it is. I don't even want to watch it until later. Look how this stupid fucker is playing with my patience. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Look at this son of a bitch. What kind of a piece of shit you have to be to do this type of movements? What a fucking cunt. So you manipulate it to the downside, manipulate it to the upside, manipulate it to the downside. Leave this sell side liquidity right here without touching on both of the assets. What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck are you doing? You fucking piece of shit. Are you really gonna manipulate to the upside before moving down? You fucking piece of shit. Right now, I'm losing 20 bucks on my funded account. And I'm thinking, should I close this motherfucker? Fucking piece of shit, bro. I'm on break even right now. 10 bucks loss right now. My funded. I'm right up on break even. What kind of a piece of shit you have to be, bro? What kind of a stupid fucker you have to be? What is this shit, bro? This shit pisses me off, man. You can't be manipulating all of the fucking time, bro. Yeah, we still got this stupid ass bitch liquidity here. But we also got this one here. And we're having 3 weeks at the moment. 3 huge weeks on the 4 hours. There's a lot of buying pressure here. Let me check this stupid ass motherfucking news from yesterday to see what the fuck do they fucking mean, bro. Son of a bitch, bro. Son of a bitch. Manipulated fucker, bro. bitch. Based on the FOMC, we are bearish, or at least this is what Microsoft Copilot is telling to me right now. We're living higher lows all the time on the 1 minute. One here, another one here, another one here, another one here, 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 here. We got 70 fucking lows. Are you fucking really gonna tell me that we're not gonna go and take him? What the fuck? What the actual fuck? Why is this playing so much? This motherfucker is gonna take me out, bro. We're rejecting the daily. London should make the fucking high of the day. Fucking son of a bitch. We did reach this 50% of the previous candle. We also reached it on NASDAQ. No, we didn't on NASDAQ. The 50% is just below this week here. Brother, go the fuck down. You should fucking go down. You fucking piece of shit. You fucking piece of shit. You stupid fucker, son of a bitch. Look at this motherfucker, bro. We had a fucking perfect entry. To what? To go target a what? What the fuck? What the fuck? Nothing. 1 to 60. 1 to 1.62. For this low. Come on, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? Fucking choppy ass bitch, son of a bitch, cunt. Fuck you. What the fuck? The fuck is wrong with fucking price action, bro? What the fuck is this? What the fuck? What the actual fuck? My break-even point on my funded is right here. And I have my crosshair there's a break-even point. What the fuck? Now you're gonna sell? What are you doing? I have a huge week on my futures account, which doesn't reflect on this stupid ass shit, bitch. You gonna fucking dump or not? Bro, if it comes up and takes my fucking stop loss, which is here, and then dumps, I'm gonna be so fucking pissed off. So fucking pissed. Are you really telling me that you need to get some form of liquidity to continue to the downside? If you are going to, but it looks that you're not. What a fucking bitch, bro. What a fucking bitch. What a fucking bitch, bro. What a fucking bitch, bro. Oh, fucking bitch. Makes no fucking sense. You're chopping around all fucking day and all fucking night, up and down. What a fucking son of a bitch. What the fuck are you doing? How many times are you gonna fucking trick people into longing and shorting? What the fuck is this? Look at this. So let's say you go short here, you get fucked. Let's say you go long here, you get fucked. Let's say you go short again here, you get fucked. What the fuck? Are you really going to tell me that if I try to go long here, I'm going to get fucked again? What the fuck? Tell me this is a turtle soup, bro. That we just went higher to take all of this liquidity here. And then we took internal, and now we're gonna switch to the downside, you stupid fucker. Give me a change in the state, you son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Fucking son of a bitch. Give it to me. Close. Have a closer below that fucking up close candle. Stupid fucker. The fuck? There's a fucking fair value gap there. Are we really not gonna retrace at least until the fair value gap? Are you fucking serious? I'm gonna profit right now. 50 bucks, 30, 40, 30, 27, 20, 18, 15, 13, 7, 0. Fucking dump, you fucking piece of shit. Stop playing on my nerves. Son of a bitch. We didn't even get this liquidity. The fuck do you expect to do now? So we might have gone up, down, up again to take the liquidity, sweep, and dump hard from here. Give me a huge dump now, and I'm moving my stops to break even, but don't fuck with me with this price action, bro. This is taking for fucking ever. It's taking for fucking ever. What the shit? Bro. Dump, you piece of shit. Tell me this is turtle soup, bro. Don't make another turtle soup here to continue to the upside, you son of a bitch. You stupid son of a bitch. Change the state of delivery here. Move down, you fucking stupid fucker. I guess I should have taken profits here at this low. Who the fuck would have told me that this shit was gonna happen? You have here you changing the state. Here. What the fuck is this? This is a 1 to. Not even a 1 to 2, bro. If I set my TP here. This is a 1 to. Fucking shit. What the fuck? This low. What the fuck? What the fuck? High probability order block. Fuck off. I'm using this high probability order block from a supposedly profitable trader. I didn't have to listen because we got two more liquidities to the upside. Today it was a manipulative day, the same like yesterday. Market was manipulating to the up and to the downside all the time. It was a bitch. However, if you have a proper risk management, you survive this type of conditions. What the fuck is US30 doing? Going to all-time highs. That's what it's doing. Yep. Imagine that I opened a long here targeting these highs here, which might have been a good idea. The only reason why I didn't do it is because all the time we're not even touching the fair value gaps created from the week before. We're straight up shooting. But it was actually a good potential trade. Imagine that I caught that on the 1 minute, which was exactly what I was gonna do. This would have been perfect. And after this change in state, you wait for a retrace to a fair value gap, which is here, to the 50% maybe. There it is, there's your entry. This would be one type of long right below that candle inside the fair value gap targeting the highs. For a shitty 1 to 4, not even a 1 to 4. But if I went to the 1 minute, that's like a 1 to what, 20. Maybe not that much, but bruv, let's check it out. So if I went here for a long in the change in the state, which I was going to, but I didn't just because I made profit that day. Look at that. 1 to what? 13? 15? There it is. 1 to 15 for a 3-day swing. First, second, and third tomorrow, which might hit the high. Not fucking bad. Sometimes you gotta hold, and this time I was gonna hold. So what did I learn from this? 17 fucking wicks. Taking the previous liquidity, leaving this one here, which fucking pisses me off. Wicks on the 4 hours. A lot of resistance here. I mean, a lot of support on this fair value gap, which we don't manage to break. We kind of break it here, but just a little bit. It's not a solid break. And it was looking like it was gonna go to the stop loss. 1 to 1.88. That's the most I could have taken from this trade. If I went for the low hanging fruit, which is that one, 1 to 1.25, and then it stops to break even, I would have won money. But imagine that then it drops so hard. I would be fucking pissed, but winning money. I think that I have to switch that mindset and try to not lose and win a little bit or a lot. This fair value gap kind of looked like it got respected. Not here. Started rejecting hard at the beginning. It seems like we're going for the highs. Tomorrow I'll be searching for longs. Maybe in this fair value gap here, or we'll see. Maybe after taking this sell side. Only if we sweep, if we drop, I wouldn't be entering. So that's it. Fuck you, markets.